1, 2, yeah. 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 You got me. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. You know what time it is. My brother. I'm the Stitch and Sew instructor. Call me Miss Mercy. Miss Mercy. You can say you heard me. Because you are what you wear and I wear what I am. We don't plan, we just stitch. I think we're gonna switch the name to Stitching with Miss Mercy.